Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Apple Pay not working on your iPhone Air. If your Apple Pay is not working on your iPhone Air, you should simply first try to restart your iPhone. So to do it, press and hold on power and either of the volume buttons at the same time. Then slide to power off, wait for 30 seconds, and after that start pressing and holding the side button. I'm gonna skip that, I just don't want to wait too long. But now let's get to the next part. The next option, if it didn't solve the issue, is go to settings, go to general, go to software update, and wait a moment. If there is an update available, then I would highly recommend installing it. You can see I have one. I'm not gonna do it now, but I'm gonna do it later. Just click on update now, and it may fix some issues with your Apple Pay. Now, if it didn't fix the issue, you may need to go to the wallet app, go to your card that you have problems with, click on three dots in top right corner, card details, and then scroll down, click on remove card, then re-add it by going to the main page and clicking on plus. And now here you can add it. If that didn't fix the issue, make sure that in the settings you have everything set correctly. So in settings, go to wallet and Apple Pay, and now select your Apple Pay defaults and make sure that double click side button is enabled so you can pay like that. Now, if that didn't help, I'd highly recommend contacting your bank so maybe they can resolve the issue. And if your bank is unable to resolve the issue, I would recommend going to a website called apple.com, but not just apple.com. Go to apple.com/support/system status. So I'll do it /system status without a space between system and status, just like that. Enter it. And now if there's another section that some services may not be operating normally, then you can reveal that and see like Apple Pay, maybe it's unavailable or it has just other problems, and maybe that's the issue. Also, if that didn't help, you may just need to call Apple support. Apple support. Of course, I would recommend just seeing on your own. Like what's the number in your country to call them. You can also text them, I guess. So yeah, you can just go to support.apple.com, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.